Hello everyone and welcome to my channel PixelBox. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to change background of any image using simple techniques. So let's jump right into the video, shall we? This is the picture that we are going to edit. You can download this practice file, link in the description. First of all, unlock the layer by clicking on the lock button and start selecting your subject by pen tool. I'm just kidding. All you need to do is click on the image, go to select and select the option select and mask R plus Alt plus Control plus R. This is the shortcut key. As you can see, the transparency is at 60%, yours will be at 50%. Select it at onion skin. Go to select subject. This option will automatically scan your image and select the subject in it. As you can see, our main subject is selected, but the mask is not that good. You can see the sky in her hair. You can fix this pretty easily by selecting the refine edge brush tool. You can adjust the size of the brush by brackets. Starting bracket will decrease the size and closing bracket will increase the size. Select the area that you want to refine. This looks good, but as you can see, the edges are sharp. You can fix this by smoothing and increase the contrast. After refining your image, make sure the selection is at layer mask and click OK. Now all we need to do is bring the background layer, go to files and click on the place embedded and select your file. You can zoom out by holding on the Alt key, move the wheel of the mouse, and by pressing spacebar you can move around, adjust the background, bring the background layer to the bottom, and there you have it. Now the next thing we need to do is to match the color of the background and the subject layer. Click on the adjustment layer and go for levels. Go to the level layer and hold Alt and click on that. Now any changes made to the levels will only affect the subject layer. The simplest and the easiest way to match the color of the background and the foreground is by telling the AI which color is the dark color, which are the mid tones and which are the bright colors. You can select them pretty easily. I will go ahead and select the dark color of the background. Now for the mid tones, and now select the bright colors. You can also change the opacity. I will decrease it to about 50%, as you can see after and before. Now let's blur the background. Click on the background layer, go to filters, blur gallery and tilt shift. You can increase the blur. I will go about 50. Now as you can see, the mountains of the background are blurred now and the focus is on the subject and on the field. Hit enter. This is the easiest way to change the background of any image. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.